Hello. We are going to give you an overview of how you could conduct an activity that goes with personality and careers, and so it's called the Color Quiz Activity.
So we first want to give you a bird's eye view of the resources that we'll be using for this activity. The first thing or the main thing you'll use is the lesson plan, and that'll give you an outline of the whole activity. And then the next piece is the color quiz. So students will complete the color quiz, and then they will fill out the results sheet to get a code and a color. And then they will use the descriptors to learn about their code and color and the careers and personalities that go with it. And then they will also use the PowerPoint to learn about the careers that relate to their code and color.
So let's take you through step one. The first thing you're going to do, and this is all noted in the lesson plan. There's even a little bit more information about this, but you're going to lead students through a discussion about how do careers relate to personality. So have them thinking about that piece first.
The next piece is you'll take students through the quiz. You'll have them actually complete part one, two, three, and four of the color quiz.
And then in step three, using that color quiz, you're going to start tallying the results. So what you'll see here is a screenshot of part one. You'll notice that there are three items checked under the E section. And so you'll put three down there. There's two items checked under the I section. So you'll put two. And so the winning letter is, drum roll please, letter E. And you're going to repeat that for parts three or two, three, and four throughout the color quiz.
And then the next piece is you will give students the results sheet and you will have them fill in their code. So they're going to use the letters that they got from parts one, two, three, and four to fill out their code. And then you'll have them determine their color as well. And that will be taken from that top piece with their letters. They will see the letters under each here and they will figure out their color as well.
And then step five is really where you're going to be using these descriptor pages. And so these ones correlate to the color that the students get. So if you had a student that got blue as their color, they're going to look at the descriptor sheet that talks about blue.
The next piece is the other part of the descriptor pages. So that document has two pieces in it. One is the part Andrea shared, and the other part is the code. So each code has a description page as well, and students can learn a little bit more about their personality based on their code.
And then what you're going to do is really tie this into the careers that are related to their color code and their color and their code, excuse me. So you'll go through the PowerPoint. It does show a minimal amount of careers per slide, but the whole key is to get them thinking about what would be going with their personality type. So building awareness of careers.
And the last piece is to have a process activity or time for you to process the whole activity with the students. There's more information and more questions in the lesson plan, but really have the students process the whole activity and their codes, their colors, and careers that relate, and then just the whole activity as a whole.
And then finally, just enjoy, have fun. Thanks
Yep.
for attending.
We hope you enjoy the activity.